Welcome. Today, we're going to clear up all the confusion about German modal verbs. Let's get started. Think of a modal verb as a helper verb. It doesn't describe the main action. Instead, it changes the meaning of another verb. For example, in English, if you say, I can, it doesn't mention what you really can do. But when you say, I can swim, it gives you proper meaning. Words like can, must, and want are modal verbs. German works almost the same way. There are 6 main German modal verbs. Don't worry about memorizing them right now. They are
können, müssen, wollen, dürfen, sollen, mögen.
Before understanding them one by one, we need to learn one thing first. In English, we use I can, you can, we can. For all the pronouns, can is not changed. But in German, we know that verbs change with pronouns. So in this case it will be
Ich kann, du kannst, wir können.
We already know the modal verb is a helper verb, it is not the main verb. So we need to put the main verb also in the sentence. I can swim.
Ich kann schwimmen.
When you use a modal verb, the modal verb will sit in the second position and the main verb goes to the end of the sentence. Let's look at examples. I'm learning German.
Ich lerne Deutsch.
With a modal verb, I can learn German.
Ich kann Deutsch lernen.
Notice that the main verb moves to the end. Another example.
Ich möchte Pizza essen.
You cannot say.
Ich möchte essen Pizza.
The main verb always goes to the end. This is one of the biggest grammar rules in German. Once you get used to it, it becomes automatic. Let's understand all 6 modal verbs one by one.
Können. Noch einmal, können.
It means can or be able to. This is probably the most useful modal verb. Use it when talking about ability or possibility. Present form.
Ich kann, du kannst, er, sie, es kann. Wir können, ihr könnt, sie können.
Examples.
Ich kann Deutsch sprechen.
I can speak German.
Wir können heute kommen.
We can come today. You can also use it for permission in casual conversations.
Kann ich hereinkommen?
Can I come in? Think of
Können.
equals can. Easy, right?
Müssen. Noch einmal, müssen.
It means must or have to. This expresses necessity. Present form.
Ich muss, du musst, er, sie, es muss. Wir müssen, ihr müsst, sie müssen.
Examples.
Ich muss arbeiten.
I have to work.
Du musst lernen.
You must study. Imagine your boss calls and says, you have to finish this today. That's
Müssen. Wollen. Noch einmal, wollen.
it means want to. This expresses desire. Present form.
Ich will, du willst, er, sie, es will. Wir wollen, ihr wollt, sie wollen.
Examples.
Ich will Pizza essen.
I want to eat pizza.
Wir wollen reisen.
We want to travel. Notice something interesting. In English we say, I want to eat. In German, there's no extra word like to. Just
Ich will essen.
simple. A quick tip, don't confuse these 2 modal verbs.
Müssen.
Means you have to.
Wollen.
Means you want to. Very different.
Dürfen. Noch einmal, dürfen.
It means may or be allowed to. This is about permission. Present form.
Ich darf, du darfst, er, sie, es darf. Wir dürfen, ihr dürft, sie dürfen.
Examples.
Darf ich gehen?
May I go?
Kinder dürfen hier spielen.
Children are allowed to play here. If your parents say, you may watch TV, that's
Dürfen.
if they say, you may not watch TV, then
Du darfst nicht fernsehen.
here's an important point.
Du musst nicht.
Means, you don't have to. But
Du darfst nicht.
means, you are not allowed. Big difference.
Sollen. Noch einmal, sollen.
It means should or be supposed to. This one is used for advice or instructions from someone else. Present form.
Ich soll, du sollst, er, sie, es soll. Wir sollen, ihr sollt, sie sollen.
Examples.
Du sollst mehr Wasser trinken.
You should drink more water.
Ich soll meinen Chef anrufen.
I'm supposed to call my boss. Think of it like someone is giving you advice or telling you what you're expected to do.
Mögen. Noch einmal, mögen.
This one is a little different. It means to like. It is used to talk about things, people, or activities that you like. Present form.
Ich mag, du magst, er, sie, es mag. Wir mögen, ihr mögt, sie, sie mögen.
Example.
Ich mag Kaffee.
I like coffee.
Sie mag Musik.
She likes music. But here's something you'll hear more often.
Möchten.
Equals would like. Technically, it isn't one of the original modal verbs. It's a polite form related to
Mögen.
and Germans use it all the time. The easiest way to remember the difference is
Mögen.
equals like, your preference.
Möchten.
Equals would like, a polite request or desire. Present form.
Ich möchte, du möchtest, er, sie, es möchte. Wir möchten, ihr möchtet, sie, sie möchten.
Examples.
Ich möchte eine Pizza.
I would like a pizza. Much more polite than saying,
Ich mag Pizza.
I like pizza. That sounds more demanding. How do you conjugate modal verbs? Let's use
Können.
Notice something. For
Ich, er, sie, es.
there's often no ending. That's normal for modal verbs. Don't panic if they look different from regular verbs. You'll get used to them with practice. Easy memory trick. Let's remember all 6 with simple keywords.
Können.
Equals can.
Müssen.
Equals must.
Wollen.
Equals want.
Dürfen.
Equals permission.
Sollen.
Equals should.
Mögen.
Equals like. Repeat them a few times and they'll stick. Let's practice together. I'll say the English sentence. You try to guess the German modal verb. I can swim. I have to study. I want to travel. May I sit here? You should sleep more. I like chocolate. Let's see some common beginner mistakes. Mistake number 1. Putting the main verb in the middle.
Ich kann spiele Fußball.
Wrong.
Ich kann Fußball spielen.
Correct. The verb goes at the end. Mistake number 2. Using will like English. Remember, English, will, means future. German will means, want. Very different. Mistake number 3. Confusing.
Müssen in dürfen. Müssen.
Equals must, have to, necessity.
Dürfen.
Equals may, be allowed to, permission. Example.
Ich muss heute arbeiten.
I have to work today.
Kinder dürfen hier spielen.
Children are allowed to play here. The most common confusion.
Du musst nicht.
Meaning, you don't have to. It's optional.
Du darfst nicht.
Meaning, you must not. You're not allowed to. It's forbidden. Example.
Du musst heute nicht kommen.
You don't have to come today. You can come if you want, but it's not necessary.
Du darfst hier nicht rauchen.
You must not smoke here. Smoking is not allowed. This pair is one of the most important distinctions in German, and once you understand it, you'll avoid one of the most common beginner mistakes. And remember the golden rule: whenever you use a modal verb, the main verb goes to the end of the sentence. That's probably the most important thing to remember today. If you enjoyed this lesson, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.